Tech Motors family, this is the 1996 European MICROVAN Subaru. This MICROVAN has a water-cooled Subaru 4-cylinder with a 5-speed manual transmission. It has 69,696 original miles. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. I did want to let you know that it does pop up too. You can open this door, back door, and this side door, and then you can pop this up. All right, this vehicle comes in kilometers, not miles. As y'all can see, this number up here, 112,167. That is the kilometers. The miles on it again is 69,696. As y'all can see, the lights do go away as well. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals as well. Let's drive in together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd love to answer any questions that y'all may have. I did want to tell you guys that we really do appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for the continual support. Y'all have a blessed and safe day.